So one website that I feel has a terrible user experience is arngren.net. It's an e-commerce site where you can buy many types of I guess products. They have kids ATVs here. They have bikes. They have pools, soccer equipment, helicopters, RC cars, things like that. But what's frustrating about this is that everything is everywhere. Nothing is organized. There's no order to it. The image sizes are random and inconsistent, and text is overlapping, as you can see here. It's borderline unreadable. There's no consistency with the links, and you can't tell what is a link and what isn't. I believe their goal was to give the user as much choice and options as they could to reach as many people as they can, but they made the mistake in having way too much information at once and overwhelming and confusing the user. I believe this severely impacts the return on investment because you don't know where to even begin when trying to purchase something from the site. So, for example, if you click this blue car here, you're interested in this blue car, you get taken to the product page, but it's not blue, and there's no real option to change the color. It's just you get this white car instead. So you're looking around, you try to find the add to cart option or a buy now button, but there's none to be found. But you can see here it says look further down the page where the price is inclusive of shipping. So if I scroll down, I don't see anything relating to the price of this car, except maybe over here, but it looks like that's the price of this car here at the bottom, right here, which is not the car that I'm looking for. And also just to point out that nothing is really readable. You have text overlapping from this product here and this product here, so you can't even see what this says unless you, I guess, highlight it. But you can't. There's no real price option. I guess maybe if you click this is a price, then it'll take you to this page. But there's no real option to buy now or add to the cart. You can print the form. You can print a request form, but that doesn't. Oh, there's a how to pay actually. So maybe I can click this how to pay, but that just takes me to an empty page. So I can go back. But there's no real option to buy this item. One way I believe that you can improve this site is to fix the homepage first of all by adding consistent links, so you know what is a link and what isn't a link, what's clickable and what's not. Improve the layout by categorizing the items into groups, and have a grid layout that's easy to follow. We don't want to overwhelm the user with too much information at once, and we have to be clear what the item is. And also adding a add to cart button or a consistent header with an add to cart button or a buy now, maybe even here. You see says request shipping price here, but you click it, nothing happens. It's not a link. It has a different color than the rest of the text, so you assume it's a link, but it doesn't do anything. And being more clear about what the product is. You see electric cars for children. That sounds like a category, but when you really want the title of what this product actually is. So yeah, I believe that instead of having a consistent layout and changing the colors of the links, making a grid layout so that it's easy to follow, so the user's not overwhelmed with all the different products here, and making sure that the website does not overflow so you can't scroll to the left and to the right, because people may not notice the fact that you can scroll to the left or to the right, and they may miss all the other information here, but not that the information here is really important. So yeah, I believe that this is a pretty terrible user experience, and one that they should work on fixing.